We are about to give the result, unofficial results of the 2011 New Providence Junkanoo Parade. And I will start by giving the unofficial results in the D category individuals. In 10th place with 264 points, Cheryl Lotmore. In 9th place with 265 points, Tyrone DeVoe. In 8th place with 275 points, John Barrett. In 7th place with 283 points, Mario Stubbs Jr. In 6th place with 297 points, Anthony Smith. In 5th place with 305 points, Jock Saunders. In 4th place with 312 points, Mario Stubbs Jr. In 3rd place with 314 points, Cyril Dean. In 2nd place with 317 points, Devon Woodside. In 1st place with 389 points, Kevin Brown. These are the unofficial results in the B category. We start with best of the shoulder. In 7th place, B310 Redland Soldiers with 84 points. In 6th place, with 85 points, B905 Fancy Dancers. In a tie for 5th place, with 94 points, B303 and B202 Redland Soldiers and One Love Junkanoo Group. In 4th place with 97 points, B206 One Love Junkanoo Group. So in 3rd place with 98 points, B305 Redland Soldiers. In 2nd place with 100 points, B204 One Love Junkanoo Group. In 1st place with 102 points, B304 Redland Soldiers. The choreograph dancers category, B. In 5th place with 83 points, Foundation. In 4th place with 91 points, Redland Soldiers. In 3rd place with 94 points, One Love Junkanoo Group. In 2nd place with 99 points, Colors Junkanoo Group. A tie for 1st place with 157 points, Conquerors for Christ and Colors Entertainment. The free dancers category B. In 7th place with 53 points, B939 Fancy Dancers. In 6th place with 54 points with B437 Conquerors for Christ. In 5th place with 58 points, B436 Conquerors for Christ. In 4th place with 65 points, B333 Redland Soldiers. In 3rd place with 81 points, B236 One Love Junkanoo Group. In 2nd place with 82 points, B433 Conquerors for Christ. In 1st place with 83 points, B735 Original Congos. These are the unofficial results in the best banner category B. In 7th place with 26 points, Body of Christ. In 6th place with 28 points, Fancy Dancers. In 5th place with 29 points, Colors Entertainment. In 4th place with 32 points, Redland Soldiers. In 3rd place with 33 points, Original Congos. In 2nd place with 34 points, Conquerors for Christ. And in 1st place with 45 points, One Love Jonkunu. Unofficial results, Best Music, category B. In 7th place with 390 points, The Body of Christ. In 6th place with 415 points, Conquerors for Christ. In 5th place with 423 points, Original Congos. In 4th place with 429 points, Redland Soldiers. In 3rd place with 449 points, Fancy Dancers. In 2nd place with 466 points, One Love, Jonkunu. And in 1st place with 502 points, Colors Entertainment. Unofficial results, Best Costume, category B. In 7th place, 195 points, Global Voyage, Body of Christ. In 6th place, 212 points, War in Heaven, Conquerors for Christ. In 5th place, 259 points, Sail Away to the Past, Colors Entertainment. In 4th place, with 265 points, Legends of Jonkunu, Redland Soldiers. In 3rd place, 281 points, Hula Spirit, One Love Jonkunu Group. In 2nd place, with 285 points, the Grand Finale, Original Congos. In 1st place, going to the market, 315 points, the Fancy Dancers. This is the unofficial results, overall group, category B. In 7th place, with 960 points, The Body of Christ. In 6th place, with 1,680 points, Redland Soldiers. In 5th place, with 1,702 points, Conquerors for Christ. In 4th place, with 1,760 points, the Original Congos. In 3rd place, with 1,832 points, Fancy Dancers. In 2nd place, 1,942 points, One Love Jonkunu. In 1st place, with 1,956 points, Colors Entertainment.